So this is the outdoor shower I was describing, and I'm going to pull back the curtain here to give you a better look at how it's set up. This was actually so easy to do, I couldn't believe it. My idea was to take an old pallet, which is what's underneath here, and I put down a couple of rocks and some crushed stone and set it on there, and I reinforced it with pressure treated 2x4s. Then I put a 3/4 inch thick, it's like a half of a 4x8 sheet of pressure treated plywood, and that came from the disc golf course. We have one of the tees is elevated, and we had a half a sheet left, so perfect use for that. This top is a actual leftover Pergo flooring from Mars Kitchen that I put down last spring. So repurposing things that were left over. I did order the hoop online as well as the shower riser and shower head, and then got a hose a hot and cold hose that runs down under the laundry room and into the basement. And you know, I'll turn this on. It's pretty impressive. And yeah, I'm out here every night, and it drains out this way, so it's away from the house. And this is one of my vices. I'm probably the kind of guy that runs the 40-gallon hot water tank till the hot goes away. But I do have a bad neck, so that makes it feel good. Turn that off. Oh, there we go. So, also a point of interest back here. One of my favorite late blooming plants. This came from back at Old School Farm in Pennsylvania. It's a phlox that blooms incredibly late. They surrounded the farmhouse there, and I brought one little clump here a few years ago, and it seems to like the spot, and it blooms really late. And you see it, that's the kitchen window there where the sink is. So for showering at night when it's dark, just leave the light on there, and you get just enough light out here to come out. And you can put a shower hook on there.